The Su-34 Fullback is a Russian twin-engine strike and multirole combat aircraft designed for long-range, high-intensity operations in contested airspace. Developed to replace aging Soviet-era strike platforms, it combines heavy payload capacity, advanced navigation systems, and crew survivability features rarely seen in tactical aircraft. The Su-34 was created to meet a clear operational requirement: the ability to conduct deep precision strikes day or night in all weather, while surviving modern air defense systems. As air warfare evolved beyond short-range battlefield attack, Russia required an aircraft capable of operating far from base, at low altitude or high altitude, with minimal support. In modern air warfare, the Su-34 matters because it represents a continuation of the heavy strike aircraft philosophy, prioritizing range, payload, and endurance over air superiority maneuvering, while still retaining limited fighter capability. 2. Origin and development history. The Su-34 originated in the Soviet Union, later completed and fielded by the Russian Federation. It was developed by the Sukhoi Design Bureau, with production handled by the Novosibirsk Aircraft Production Association (OPO). The program began in the late 1980s, originally designated the Su-27IB, based on the Su-27 airframe. The aircraft first flew on the 13th of April 1990. Development slowed after the collapse of the Soviet Union, with full operational introduction occurring in the mid-2010s. The Su-34 was designed primarily to replace the Su-24 Fencer, which had served as the Soviet Union's principal tactical bomber. Unlike the Su-24, the Su-34 emphasized crew comfort, survivability, and extended mission duration rather than variable geometry wings. 3. Design philosophy and airframe. The Su-34's design philosophy centers on long-range strike endurance and crew survivability. Unlike traditional fighters, it features a side-by-side cockpit, allowing improved crew coordination during complex missions. The airframe is derived from the Su-27, but heavily modified. It uses high-strength aluminum alloys and titanium, with limited composite materials. There are no stealth coatings, but shaping reduces frontal radar exposure compared to older bombers. Aerodynamically, the aircraft retains blended wing body features and leading-edge root extensions, optimizing stability and lift at low altitude. Visually, the Su-34 is unmistakable due to its wide, armored nose section, reinforced landing gear, and robust fuselage designed for heavy weapons carriage. 4. Engine and propulsion system. The Su-34 is powered by two Saturn AL-31 FM1 afterburning turbofan engines, developed by NPO Saturn. Each engine produces approximately 76.2 kilonewtons, 17,100 pound-feet of dry thrust, and up to 132 kilonewtons, 29,700 lbf, with afterburner. Thrust output varies slightly depending on production batch and engine subvariant. The thrust-to-weight ratio is moderate for a combat aircraft, reflecting the Su-34's heavy structure and payload focus. Engine performance supports sustained cruise with heavy ordnance rather than high-energy dogfighting. 5. Speed and flight performance. The Su-34 has a maximum speed of approximately Mach 1.8, equivalent to around 1,900 kilometers per hour, 1,180 miles per hour at altitude. Cruise speed is typically high subsonic, optimized for fuel efficiency during long-range missions. Rate of climb is estimated at approximately 15,000 to 18,000 meters per minute under optimal conditions. Maneuverability is adequate for self-defense, but secondary to strike performance. 6. Range, endurance, and fuel. One of the Su-34's primary strengths is range. Internal fuel capacity is estimated at approximately 12,100 kilograms, significantly higher than most tactical fighters. Combat radius varies by mission profile. but is commonly sighted at around 1,100 kilometers for high-low high-strike missions. Ferry range exceeds 4,000 kilometers, extendable further with external fuel tanks. The aircraft is equipped with an aerial refueling probe, allowing extended endurance during strategic operations. 7 fuel consumption and operating cost. Exact fuel consumption figures are not publicly released. However, due to its size, twin engines, and mission profile, the Su-34 consumes significantly more fuel per hour than light or medium fighters. Operating costs are higher than those of the Su-24 due to advanced avionics and airframe complexity. Maintenance demands include engine overhauls, reinforced landing gear servicing, and specialized support equipment, making long-term operation resource-intensive. 8. Avionics and sensor systems. The Su-34 is equipped with the Leninets B00 for Pacer radar, optimized for ground mapping, terrain following, and maritime targeting. It is not an AESA system, but provides wide area detection suitable for strike missions. Avionics integration allows navigation, targeting, and weapons delivery in poor weather and at low altitude. Sensor fusion is limited compared to Western 5th-generation aircraft, but sufficient for coordinated strike operations. Electronic warfare systems include radar warning receivers, jammers, and countermeasures to enhance survivability in defended airspace. 9. Weapons and payload. The Su-34 has 12 external hardpoints and a maximum payload capacity of approximately 8,000 kilograms, 17,600 pounds. Weapons include air-to-air missiles for self-defense, unguided and guided bombs, precision-guided munitions, anti-ship missiles, and standoff weapons. All weapons are externally carried. This flexibility allows the Su-34 to conduct interdiction, close air support, maritime strike, and limited air defense missions. 10. Stealth and survivability. The Su-34 is not a stealth aircraft. Radar cross-section reduction is limited to shaping rather than materials. Survivability relies on electronic warfare systems, altitude and terrain tactics, armored cockpit protection, and redundancy. While effective against older air defenses, survivability decreases against modern integrated air defense systems without support. 11. Real-world service and combat use. The Su-34 is operated primarily by the Russian Aerospace Forces. It has seen extensive combat use in Syria and during operations related to the Ukraine conflict. In combat, it has been employed for precision strikes, standoff weapon delivery, and close air support. Russian pilots have highlighted its range, payload, and crew comfort during long sorties. 12. Cost, production, and global impact. Public estimates place unique cost in the range of tens of millions of US dollars, though exact figures vary by contract and configuration. Over 140 aircraft have been produced. Export has been limited, with no large foreign operators. The Su-34 strengthens Russia's ability to conduct long-range tactical strikes, without relying solely on strategic bombers. 13. Strengths and weaknesses. The Su-34 excels in range, payload, endurance, and crew survivability. It is well suited for prolonged strike missions in permissive or moderately defended environments. Its limitations include lack of stealth, high operating costs, and limited air-to-air capability. Against advanced air defenses, it requires escort and electronic support. 14. Final verdict. The Su-34 Fullback represents the culmination of Russia's heavy strike aircraft lineage. It is a purpose-built combat platform designed to deliver weapons deep into contested territory, with reliability and endurance in modern and future warfare. The Su-34 remains relevant as a long-range strike asset rather than a frontline air superiority fighter. Its presence commands respect not for technological stealth, but for its ability to carry heavy firepower across vast distances and deliver it with precision under demanding conditions.